Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Robert from Helton's Computer Repair. Today I'll be showing you how you can download the latest Windows 10 ISO from Windows Media Creation Tool. Now, pretty much this is for the regular standard for Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro, and the standard base used for pretty much for residentials on there. Now, if you want one that to be done there on enterprise and like education, I'll make another video on that. Has some different stuff that needs to be done through command prompt for this to work. So that's another video if you want that to be done. But for the rest, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing you do is pretty much go to the web browser, wherever you want to choose. And pretty much I already have Google there, but I'm just going to go to actual google.com. And I'm going to type in Windows 10 Media, well, I already came up, Windows Creation Tool, Media Creation Tool. And I'm going to go ahead and select it. And this does based against what time this is, because you know later down a new version can come out. This is just a current version, I think that's 1909. Alright, so if you already have Windows 10 and if you just need to just upgrade your system, well, here's your option right here. You can just upgrade it to the latest version. But let's say if you want to create an actual ISO, or let's say for a flash drive, this is what you would choose right here. So let's go ahead and continue. And I go ahead and the file got downloaded. I'm actually going to go ahead and just run it. I don't really need anything special for this. And I can go ahead and just exit the browser now. Right now it's pretty much just getting a few things ready for it to start. Depending if you already have Windows 10, it will probably just continue on this. Now if you don't have Windows 10, I will actually give a link on there. If you're trying to just like create an ISO of Windows 10 and you only currently have like a Windows 7 or Windows 8, this might prompt you for a product key for this to be able to continue. I will give you the link about it, and this is just pretty much just for just to get it done. It's not a real activation. Yes, it will work for the installations, but you'll pretty much be prompted there every 30 to 90 days depending on which version you installed on Windows 10, and you'll pretty much not have a genuine activation. But for the rest, let's go ahead and continue. We're going to go ahead and press accept. So it's getting a few things ready. Let's go ahead and just let it load. And right here you have the option if you want to just upgrade this PC now. That's like the exact same thing when it kind of came on the website right there. But what we're going to choose is actually create a installation media. This gives the option for USB, DVD, ISO. That's pretty much for another computer. So then press next. And you'll choose what version you want. Technically, if you didn't have Windows 10 already, it could have already prompted and had additional options here like for advanced and stuff like that. But because this computer already has Windows 10, it's pretty much continuing. Now it says Windows 10 edition. Believe it or not, it does contain also the Pro, because mostly now the new product keys are saved on hardware that already has internally product key onto the board. Option, you pretty much can choose if you want a 32 or 64-bit or both. I'm just going to choose a 64-bit. Pretty much 32 is pretty much out of here already now today. And then pretty much just press next. You have the option if you want it to be saved on a USB flash drive, because you need to have at least 8 GB for it if you want to do that. I'm going to choose an ISO for this. And then press next. Now you have the options where you want to save the file. I'm actually going to change the name a little bit different to Windows 10. And then I'm going to put a -x64-bit to know that. And I'm going to also put what version it is, 1909, because every 6 months a new one comes up and don't want to get confused from different versions. After that, I'm going to go ahead and press save. Now for the next few minutes, it's pretty much going to be downloading, so it could take a little while. Let it go ahead and let it process, and I will be back in a few minutes. Righty, it's getting pretty much close. It's almost at 90%. Let's go ahead and let it continue, and then I will tell you the rest about it. So it seems it's already finished downloading. Now it's going to verify the download to be sure everything is correct, and let it do its process. And it looks like the ISO is almost there. The progress is almost done. And here we have it. It's pretty much done. We created the ISO. It says that you can open up DVD burner. So I guess if we had DVD, you can pretty much just select your burner. Technically, I don't have an actual burner right now because it's a virtual machine. But you get the concept. You have a DVD, you toss it in there, you'll press, I would check probably verify to be sure after, especially for Windows 10, and press burn, and then you should be good. Thanks for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.